Nice.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
They're small. They're like little brown chickens.
They're like little brown chickens.
Chicks, not chickens. Chicks.
Little brown chicken nuggets.
What?
So cute.
That was so really adorable. That was really cute.
It was so cute. Actually, really like this game.
Maybe this game will inspire the management in Hololive to put in a Kiwi burb into Hololive.
Oh, a Kiwi burb.
Yeah.
Every bird.
It would probably be really a small person. Really small.
That would actually be so cute. A small Kiwi. A short Kiwi with had no arms. That'd be adorable.
No arms VTuber.
No
Oh
arm
my god.
VTuber.
Interesting. Or maybe they could make it so like you don't know if they have arms because they wear like maybe a poncho, a really big poncho, so you just can't see it. But maybe they have arms.
Cute. That would be. Oh my gosh. That'd be adorable.
No arms VTuber. That's gonna be an interesting 3D debut one day.
Probably easier for papas to to bring to life.
Yeah.